right next to it, alright? Alright, nigga? I'm gonna tell that nigga if he can honk for me. On the way to Galveston, come on, nigga. You gotta honk for me, bitch. Tell that nigga to honk for me. You be like, honk, nigga, though. Ah, fuck.
That's so big. We're in the fucking same thing.
These niggas are making us go slow.
Oh, look. Fuck, you can't go, because if you break, we're gonna crash it. Come on, nigga.
Hey, homie. Hey, honk. Honk, bro. I got that nigga to honk. I was like, hey, homie.
You want to try this one or what?
The next one?
Yeah, this one right here.
Oh, this nigga moving over, right?
Yeah. You don't get all three of the fucking judges. Come on, nigga.
You gotta go next to the nigga, though. Alright. Hey, bro, honk. Oh, yeah.
Go to the next